I want you to imagine something. It's 6 months from now. A homeowner wakes up to discover water pouring through their ceiling from a burst pipe. Naturally, they grab their phone. But instead of opening Google, they open ChatGPT. They type, "Who's the best plumber near me?" A few seconds later, the AI recommends three companies. One gets the call, one gets the appointment, one gets the customer.
And here's the scary part. The homeowner never visits a search results page, never compares 10 websites, never scrolls through directories. The AI simply gives them an answer.
Now, here's the question. Why did those three companies get recommended? Were they the biggest? Not necessarily. Were they the ones spending the most on advertising? Not necessarily. Were they even the companies with the best websites? Maybe not.
The reason may be much simpler. The AI understood exactly who they were. It trusted them. It saw consistent information, strong reviews, expert content, credible mentions. In other words, those businesses had built entity authority.
And that's what today's episode is really about. Because as AI becomes the first place people go for answers, the businesses AI understands and trusts may become the businesses customers choose. And the businesses AI doesn't recognize, they may become invisible. Today, we're talking about something that may sound a little technical at first,
But it may become one of the most important concepts in digital marketing over the next few years. Entity authority.
Now, if you've never heard that phrase before, don't worry. Most business owners haven't.
But here's why you should care. When someone asks ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or another AI tool for a recommendation, how does that AI decide which businesses to mention?
That's where entity authority comes in.
And today, we're going to break down exactly what it is, why it matters, and what you can do to start building it. But before we continue,
Make sure you pound that like button.
and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos on AI.
And drop your thoughts in the comments section. We want to hear from you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an entity?
In simple terms, an entity is a thing that can be uniquely identified. A person is an entity. A business is an entity. A product is an entity. Even a location can be an entity.
So when Google or ChatGPT looks at your business, they're trying to build a clear understanding of who you are, what you do, and whether you're trustworthy.
Exactly. Entity authority is simply how much confidence those systems have in that understanding. Think of it like your business reputation, but in the eyes of AI.
And that's becoming increasingly important because more people are getting answers directly from AI instead of traditional search results.
For years, SEO was mostly about ranking pages. You wanted to rank for keywords, you wanted clicks, you wanted traffic.
Today, the game is changing. More searches are ending without clicks because users are getting answers immediately.
Instead of searching and clicking through 10 websites, people ask, who is the best accountant near me? Which HVAC company should I trust? What marketing agency should I hire?
And the AI gives them an answer. The question becomes, will your business be included or will your competitor be included?
AI doesn't randomly pick businesses. It looks for patterns of trust. The systems are essentially asking, is this business real? Is it reputable? Does it consistently appear online? Do other people talk about it?
And that brings us to one of the most important concepts in modern search, EEAT.
EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness.
Let's break those down. Experience means you've actually done what you're talking about.
Expertise means you know what you're doing.
Authoritativeness means others recognize your knowledge.
And trustworthiness means people believe you and feel comfortable doing business with you.
When AI sees all four signals consistently, your authority grows. And that's what increases the chances of being recommended.
Here's where many businesses get into trouble. They accidentally confuse AI.
Maybe they're listed as Smith Plumbing on Google, Smith Plumbing and Heating on Yelp, Smith Plumbing LLC on Facebook.
To a human, that's obviously the same company. To an AI system, it's not always that clear.
The same problem happens with phone numbers, addresses, and business hours.
That's why consistency matters so much. Your business information should match everywhere. Name, address, phone number, hours, website, everything.
Let's talk about reviews, because many business owners underestimate how important they are.
Reviews are trust signals. Every positive review is another piece of evidence that your business is legitimate.
But here's something many people overlook. Responding to reviews matters too.
Especially negative reviews. The way you handle criticism tells Google and increasingly AI systems a lot about your business.
A thoughtful response can actually strengthen trust. An angry response can do the opposite.
Another major factor is content, not generic content, not keyword stuffing, real expertise.
Think about the questions customers ask every day. Those questions are content opportunities.
If you're a plumber, how do I prevent frozen pipes? How do I know if I have a leak? What causes low water pressure?
If you're an attorney, what happens after a car accident? How does estate planning work? When should I create a trust?
The businesses answering these questions consistently are helping both customers and AI understand their expertise.
Here's another interesting point. You can't build authority entirely by talking about yourself.
That's right. Authority often comes from others talking about you.
Local news articles, industry publications, business directories, Chamber of Commerce listings, partnerships, sponsorships.
Every mention acts like a vote of confidence. The more credible the source, the stronger the signal.
Now, let's talk about something that sounds scary but really isn't. Schema markup.
Think of Schema as a translator. It helps machines understand your website.
Instead of forcing Google or AI systems to guess your business information, Schema tells them directly,
Here's our business name. Here's our address. Here's our phone number. Here's who owns the company. Here's what services we offer.
it's like handing AI a perfectly organized business card.
Here's some good news. Local businesses actually have a tremendous opportunity.
Many owners assume only giant national brands can win in AI search. That's not true.
AI often wants local recommendations. People ask, who's the best roofer near me? Which dentist should I choose? Who repairs air conditioners in my area?
That creates opportunities for smaller businesses that build strong authority signals within their market.
Let's make this practical. If someone listening wants to start today, what should they do?
Step 1, optimize your Google business profile.
Step 2, make sure your business information is consistent everywhere online.
Step 3, create a system for collecting reviews.
Step 4, start answering customer questions through content.
Step 5, look for opportunities to earn mentions from trusted organizations and websites.
And step 6, make sure your website includes proper schema markup.
The big takeaway is this. The future of search is becoming less about ranking pages and more about building trust.
AI systems are trying to identify the most trustworthy entities. The businesses that make that easy will have a major advantage.
And the best part? Most of these strategies aren't complicated. They require consistency more than complexity.
The businesses that start building entity authority today may be the businesses AI recommends tomorrow.
All right, let's recap what we've covered today.
First, entity authority is essentially your business's reputation in the eyes of AI. The clearer and more trustworthy your business appears across the internet, the more likely AI systems are to recommend you.
Second, we talked about EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. These are some of the strongest signals AI and search engines use when evaluating businesses.
Third, consistency matters. Your business information should be the same everywhere. Name, address, phone number, hours, website. The easier it is for AI to connect all those dots, the stronger your authority becomes.
Fourth, reviews, content, and third-party mentions matter more than many business owners realize. Every review, article, directory listing, interview, and customer success story helps strengthen your digital reputation.
And finally, we discussed schema markup. Think of it as giving AI a cheat sheet that explains exactly who your business is and what you do.
Put all those pieces together, and you dramatically increase the likelihood that AI recognizes, understands, and eventually recommends your business.
Let's wrap up with 3 key takeaways. Takeaway number 1, AI is becoming a recommendation engine. The question is no longer just whether customers can find you, it's whether AI chooses to mention you.
Takeaway number 2, authority is built through consistency and trust. Reviews, content, citations, mentions, business profiles, everything works together.
Takeaway number 3, building entity authority isn't a future project. It's happening right now. The businesses that start today may have a significant advantage tomorrow.
So here's your actionable item for this week. Don't try to fix everything. Just perform a simple entity authority audit.
Open Google and search for your own business. Then search for it in ChatGPT. Search for it in Gemini. Search for it in Perplexity. Look at what shows up.
Ask yourself, is my business information consistent? Are my reviews visible? Do I have clear author bios? Does my expertise stand out? Would an AI system understand exactly who I am and what I do?
Then choose just one improvement. Maybe it's updating your Google business profile. Maybe it's asking for more reviews. Maybe it's creating an About Us page. Maybe it's publishing an FAQ article.
Small improvements compound, and every signal you strengthen today helps AI understand and trust your business tomorrow. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes on AI, marketing, automation, and the rapidly changing world of search.
And if you know another business owner who's wondering how AI will impact their visibility online, send them this episode.
Thanks for listening.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for listening to AI for Beginners Demystified, brought to you by Internet Marketing Services, helping small businesses harness the power of AI to work smarter and grow faster. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. Be sure to check out the description below for valuable links and resources, including free tools, learning guides, and ways to start applying AI in your business today. And visit einternetmarketingservices.com to explore even more AI tools, tips, and resources. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep demystifying AI.